Have you ever felt like something was missing in your life? Like there was a secret key to unlocking all your dreams and desires, but you just couldn't find it? What if I told you that the answer has been within you all along, waiting to be discovered? There's a powerful manifestation prayer that can change your life forever, and today I'm going to share it with you. This secret manifestation prayer is no ordinary prayer. It's a sacred ritual that taps into the boundless energy of the universe, aligning your deepest desires with the cosmic flow. When you use this prayer, you're not just asking for what you want. You're actively creating a profound shift in your reality that opens up a world of possibilities and opportunities. You might be wondering, what makes this prayer so special? The answer lies in its ancient origins and the countless lives it has transformed throughout history. This prayer has been passed down through generations, whispered by those who have unlocked its power and experienced its magic firsthand. The roots of this secret manifestation prayer can be traced back to ancient spiritual traditions from around the world. From the mystical practices of the ancient Egyptians to the sacred rituals of indigenous cultures, this prayer has been a guiding light for those seeking to manifest their dreams and desires. One of the earliest known records of this prayer comes from an ancient Sanskrit text, where it was described as a divine invocation to the universe. The text speaks of a powerful chant that, when recited with pure intention and unwavering faith, could summon the forces of the cosmos to aid in the manifestation process. Over time, the prayer evolved and adapted as it spread across different cultures and traditions. Each civilization added its own unique elements and interpretations, infusing the prayer with new layers of meaning and power. Today, the secret manifestation prayer has been rediscovered by spiritual seekers and manifestation experts who have witnessed its incredible potential firsthand. They have shared their knowledge and experiences, making this ancient wisdom accessible to anyone who is ready to unlock the power of the universe. Using the secret manifestation prayer is a simple yet profound process. It involves more than just reciting words. It requires a deep connection with your inner self and a willingness to surrender to the universe's flow. The first step is to find a quiet, peaceful space where you can be alone with your thoughts. This could be a dedicated meditation corner in your home, a serene spot in nature, or any place where you feel safe and comfortable. Once you've settled into your chosen space, take a few deep breaths to center yourself and calm your mind. Let go of any distracting thoughts or worries, and focus your attention on the present moment. Now it's time to recite the secret manifestation prayer. The words may vary slightly depending on the specific tradition or source, but the core essence remains the same. Here is one powerful version of the prayer. Divine Universe, hear my call. I open my heart to your infinite wisdom and grace. I surrender my deepest desires to your loving embrace. May your boundless energy flow through me, aligning my thoughts, words, and actions with my true purpose. I trust in your divine plan and know that all my needs are met with perfect timing and abundance. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, both seen and unseen. I am a co-creator with you, manifesting my dreams into reality. Thank you for your constant guidance and support. And so it is. Amen. As you recite the prayer, allow yourself to feel the words resonating deep within your being. Visualize your desires coming to life as if they have already manifested in your reality. Feel the joy, gratitude, and abundance that comes with living your dream life. It's important to approach the prayer with a sense of surrender and trust. Remember that the universe has a divine plan for you, and sometimes what you think you want may not align with your highest good. By surrendering your desires to the universe, you open yourself up to receiving even greater blessings than you could have imagined. One of the key components of the secret manifestation prayer is the power of belief. When you truly believe that your desires are possible and that the universe is conspiring in your favor, you unlock a tremendous force that propels you towards your goals. Belief is not just a mental concept, it's a vibration that you emit into the world. When you radiate the energy of unwavering faith and confidence, you attract experiences and opportunities that match that vibration. The universe responds to your belief by manifesting your desires in miraculous ways. Another essential element of the secret manifestation prayer is gratitude. When you approach life with a grateful heart, you shift your focus from lack to abundance. You begin to recognize the countless blessings that are already present in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for manifestation. When you express sincere appreciation for what you have, you open the floodgates for even more abundance to flow into your life. The universe loves a grateful heart and rewards those who acknowledge and celebrate its gifts. Incorporating gratitude into your daily practice is simple yet profound. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're thankful for, whether it's a loving relationship, a fulfilling career, or simply the beauty of a sunset. As you focus on gratitude, you'll find that your perspective shifts and you become more attuned to the miracles that surround you. The secret manifestation prayer has transformed countless lives around the world. People from all walks of life have experienced its power and witnessed incredible miracles as a result. One inspiring story comes from Sarah, a single mother who had been struggling to make ends meet. She had been working tirelessly to provide for her children, but no matter how hard she tried, she always seemed to fall short. One day, a friend introduced her to the secret manifestation prayer, and Sarah decided to give it a try. Every morning and evening, Sarah would find a quiet moment to recite the prayer, pouring her heart into each word. She visualized a life of abundance, where she could provide her children with everything they needed and more. Despite her challenging circumstances, Sarah maintained an unwavering belief that the universe had a plan for her. Weeks turned into months, and Sarah began to notice subtle shifts in her life. Unexpected opportunities started to arise, and she found herself attracting people and situations that supported her dreams. One day, she received a call from a distant relative who had passed away, leaving her a substantial inheritance. This blessing allowed Sarah to pay off her debts, move into a comfortable home, and create a stable foundation for her family. Sarah's story is just one of many examples of the secret manifestation prayer's power. People have manifested love, health, wealth, and more through this sacred practice. The key is to approach the prayer with an open heart, a deep belief, and a willingness to surrender to the universe's wisdom. The secret manifestation prayer is not just about getting what you want. It's about aligning with your higher self and the universe's divine plan for you. When you tap into this sacred connection, you begin to understand your true purpose and the unique gifts you have to offer the world. Your higher self is the part of you that is eternally connected to the source of all creation. It holds the wisdom of your soul and guides you towards your highest good. By using the secret manifestation prayer, you create a direct channel to your higher self, allowing its guidance to flow through you. As you deepen your connection with your higher self, you may experience profound insights, intuitive nudges, and a greater sense of clarity and purpose. You'll begin to trust your inner wisdom and make decisions that align with your authentic truth. The secret manifestation prayer is a powerful tool for self-discovery and personal growth. It invites you to explore the depths of your being and uncover the limitless potential that lies within. As you peel back the layers of conditioning and limiting beliefs, you'll discover a version of yourself that is confident, empowered, and ready to create the life of your dreams. The path of manifestation is not always a straight line. There may be twists, turns, and unexpected detours along the way. However, each experience is an opportunity for growth and learning, guiding you closer to your ultimate destiny. As you incorporate the secret manifestation prayer into your daily practice, be patient and trust the journey. Manifestation is not about forcing outcomes or controlling every aspect of your life. It's about surrendering to the universe's divine timing and allowing things to unfold naturally. Embrace the challenges and obstacles that arise, knowing that they are stepping stones to your greatest breakthroughs. Every setback is a chance to strengthen your faith, refine your desires, and develop the resilience and wisdom needed to manifest your dreams. Remember that manifestation is a co-creative process between you and the universe. You have the power to plant the seeds of your desires, but it's up to the universe to determine how and when they will blossom. Trust that the universe has your back and is always conspiring in your favor, even when things don't go according to plan. The secret manifestation prayer is a sacred gift that has the power to transform your life in ways you never imagined possible. By tapping into the ancient wisdom of this prayer and aligning with the universe's boundless energy, you open yourself up to a world of endless possibilities. As you embark on this journey of manifestation, know that you are supported every step of the way. The universe is cheering you on, guiding you towards your highest good, and showering you with blessings at every turn. So take a deep breath, close your eyes, and let the words of the secret manifestation prayer flow through you. Feel the power of your desires, the depth of your belief, and the unwavering support of the universe. Trust that everything is unfolding in perfect divine timing, and that your dreams are already on their way to you. Remember, the secret manifestation prayer is not just a one-time event. It's a lifelong practice that will continue to evolve and deepen as you grow and expand. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and know that you are worthy of all the abundance, joy, and love that the universe has to offer. As you continue on this path of manifestation, share your experiences and insights with others. Your story has the power to inspire and uplift those around you, reminding them of the incredible potential that lies within each and every one of us. Together, we can create a world where every person has access to the transformative power of the secret manifestation prayer. We can build a community of like-minded souls who support, encourage, and celebrate each other's dreams and desires. So let us join hands and hearts, united in our intention to manifest a life beyond our wildest dreams. Let us trust in the universe's infinite wisdom and surrender to its loving embrace. And let us always remember the sacred words of the secret manifestation prayer, knowing that they hold the key to unlocking the boundless potential within us all. Thank you for joining me on this journey of manifestation. May the power of the secret manifestation prayer guide you, inspire you, and transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Keep believing, keep trusting, and keep manifesting, for the universe is always conspiring in your favor. And so it is.